After 3 victories in the Irish Tarmac Rally Championship, we head to my home rally, the Cartel.ie Rally of the Lakes. Based in Killarney in Southern Ireland, this year it's a special event as it celebrates its 40th year. It's one of the most famous rallies in Ireland and has some of the finest stages in Europe, including the famous Healy Pass, Codshead and Ardgroom, and also the best stage in Ireland, Moll's Gap. From a young age, my dad brought me to the rallies each year, and this is where I got the passion for the sport. As I got to the age where I could co-drive, I participated in the rally for many years, and my best result was 2nd overall in 2003 with local man Donny O'Sullivan.
2 left of the fence, steady yourself, 2 left of the fence, easy.
Over the last 12 years, I've only competed in the rally once, as my rally career took a different direction towards the WRC. But this year, I return and will have door number 1 on the car alongside Craig Breen, and will hopefully have a successful and safe weekend in the CJJ back Fiesta.